Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Alerts for reputation and SEO opportunities. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Alerts homepage at www.google.com/alerts. If you're not logged in, sign in with your Google account. Once you are on the Google Alerts page, locate the search box at the top. In the search box, enter the keyword or phrase for which you want to receive alerts. For reputation management, consider using your name, your brand name, or relevant industry keywords. For SEO opportunities, think about keywords related to your niche or competitors. After entering your keyword, click on the Show Options link situated below the search box. In the Show Options section, you can customize how often you want to receive alerts. Select As It Happens for immediate notifications or once a day for a daily summary. Next, choose the sources you want to monitor. You can select from news, blogs, web, video, and more. Then, decide on the language of the alerts according to your preference. Choose the region that is most relevant to your interests or business. For the final option, set the frequency of alerts by selecting all results or only the best results. Once all settings are to your liking, click on the You will now see your new alert listed on the page. To manage your alerts, click on the pencil icon next to your alert to make changes. If you want to delete an alert, simply click the trash can icon next to it. You can create multiple alerts for different keywords by repeating these steps. Now you're all set to receive Google alerts that can help with your reputation management and SEO efforts. Keep an eye on your inbox for the alerts you set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new string. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.